Hi Sarah, happy birthday! On your birthday, I wish you good health, long life, and happy love life. I love you, Mama. Chup chup. Bye!
Okay, Zara, happy birthday. And sana stay as you are pa rin. Huwag kang magbabago sa amin. Especially kung aalis ka na sa amin at lilipat ka na kung saan man. Well, hope for the best pa rin for you and sana ma-achieve mo kung ano man yung gusto mong i-achieve. Basta just always think na nandito lang kami for you and God bless.
Hi Zara, happy birthday. One thing that I cannot forget about you is that you've become my shield ever since day one. And I hope that it will always be like that. Happy birthday, sana hindi ka magbabago. Love you.
Go!
Happy
Birthday ni Sarah! Oo na, supportan kita.
Ano ba? Tumatanda na po kayo. Medyo ka. Ayun.
Huwag niyo daw po sila iwan.
May ganong factor. Ayun, sana hindi po kayo makalimot. Parang alis na yun. Yun lang po. Sabi natin na 30 seconds na yun. Bye-bye. Zor, take 3 na to. Happy birthday. Sobrang happy birthday. Tapos, alam mo naman na love ka namin ng kumpare ko. Kahit na lagi kami nag-aaway sa harap mo. Joke lang yun. Tapos, sabi ko naman sa'yo, diba, darating din yung taong para sa'yo. And I hope you're happy. Kasi kami ni Nel, happy kami for you. Kahit di ka namin lagi nakakasama. Kasi halos hindi na talaga. Nakita ka lang kita once a week, every Wednesday lang. Si Nel, at least nakikita ka niya once a week din. Once a week din. Nakakalungkot lang kasi dati umuwi lang ako para maligo. At nandun ako sa bahay niya nakatira. Siguro kasi iba na yung life natin, nating dalawa. At nakakalungkot mo ang isipin, iniwan natin si Nel.
Birthday niya, Tol.
Pero, dahil birthday mo, dapat masaya. Pero sinasabi ko lang sa'yo yung mga bagay na hindi ko na nasasabi. Kahit ngayon, minsan hindi tayo nagte-text. Pero, alam mo naman, kahit anong mangyari, kahit naasan ako, pag may problema ka, tsaka si Nel, text niya lang ako. Tsaka, basta, alam mo namang love ka namin. Sobrang love ka namin. Tsaka, kung may problema ka, alam mo na, ito lang kami. Tulad ng dati, inom, tulog, pasok. Routine natin dati na masaya. Happy birthday. I love you.
Hi ma'am, happy birthday. Thank you for everything that you've done for us and nandito lang kami lagi to support you, wish you good health and success sa career mo kung saan ka ba mapupunta and always remember na yung team nandito lang lagi sa likod mo at sana hindi ka magbabago sa amin. We love you.
Happy birthday, Zara. Love you. Yun na yun. Pucha.
Hi, Mare. Happy birthday. Wala akong masyadong masabi kasi sinabi nila lahat. Ang masasabi ko lang, Mare, hindi ka mataba. Huwag kang mag-take ng mga drugs. Kung ano ng droga. Okay? Just drink plenty of water. Mag-exercise ka rin kasi nakakatulong yun. Pero yung drugs ka ng drugs, Mare, ganun pa rin. Ganun pa rin. Nakakaawa ka lang kasi baka mamaya kung ano ng droga na take mo, masasanay ka, hindi ka rin papayat. Baka mamaya masanay ka, tumaba ka lalo, okay? Mari, hindi ka mataba. That's the fact, okay? And, sobrang thank you so much. Sa lahat ng TM dito sa floor, ikaw the best. And, salamat sa pagtanggap mo sa akin as a friend. And, wala na yun lang. Mag-ingat ka lang parate. Sabihin ko, bangang ako, sandali. I'm always here and just always remember I can be your good friend. I can love you until the end. Sounds familiar? Yun lang. Happy birthday.
Hi Zara, just wanna say happy birthday. So, hindi halata na mag-25 ka na pala, no? Too young for being a TM. Yet, kahit na yung edad mo medyo bata pa, you've been so responsible, so concerned with each and everyone. Isa sa pinakamagandang character mo. Hopefully, hindi ka magbago. I mean, if you're gonna change for the better. And sana marami pa tayong mga taon na pagsamahan, wag ka munang umalis. And hindi pa kaming ready. Ako personally, hindi pa ako ready na mag-let go ka sa team. So again, happy birthday, blessed birthday, and many more birthdays to come. Ciao!
Zara, happy birthday! So if we get to live 100, you're already on your first quarter. So I'm glad that you enjoyed your life. So go on, enjoy life. Have a happy birthday. May you be blessed and may you have more birthdays to come, more blessings to you and to your family. We love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Miss Zara. I'm wishing you all the best and thank you for being a nice team leader sa Zara's Track. And then, sa Zara's Track, ayun, sana maging strong pa yung team and we're doing all the best para maging maganda siya. Happy birthday ulit and God bless.